Okay. Okay, we just have to clean it up. Right there. Oh gosh. This is, yeah, okay. Clean it up. But look, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not like how they do it in the videos, but it's not bad. Okay. Doing the other eye. I don't know. You can see. Turns out a little bit better. Yeah. Oh yeah, it is. It's more curved than this one. This one I went fur. Oh, okay. That one's better. I need a little help on this one. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm supposed to do this. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Alright. Okay. Here we go. Try to close my eyes. No, I can't see. Okay. Actually, yeah. Close my eyes. Really hard to do with your eyes closed. Okay. Okay. Oh man, I left a mark. And we can fix it. Okay. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Yeah, I guess, yeah, I was kind of holding it a little bit too high. Where the mark is, that's where it's supposed to be. It's fine though, looks pretty good. Did you get her side? I think I messed this one up. Okay. Okay, still the mark. But I did a little bit lower. Still a little high. But nonetheless, it is working pretty good. It did help me make those wonderful curves and lines. And then we can fix it with some eyeliner. Yeah. I think it depends on what kind of eyelash curler you have too. I have the Tarte one. I see some girls using different ones. It did what it was supposed to do though. Yeah.